back to my video. Today I have an important special guest and we will be making something, something fun, something simple, something delicious. So stay tuned to see who it is. Here we have my guest. What your name is. Introduce yourself.
Nancy.
Her name is Nancy. I know you guys know her. She's my little sister. So today we're gonna be making, what are we gonna be making, Nancy? Enséñale lo que vamos a hacer.
Watermelon Jello.
Ooh, fancy. We're gonna be making
watermelon Jello.
So let's get to it.
First you get your Jello.
Okay.
Then you open it. And then you get it out.
Okay.
Then you pour it into a pan.
Okay, so here we have our pan, right?
Yikes.
Okay, so pour it out. Careful. Okay.
Next we pour the cup of water in the biggest one. Mix it until all the crumbs are gone. So we're making watermelon Jello.
But how does the consistency have to be in the water? Once it's here.
Liquid.
Okay, so it has to boil, right? Okay, and once it's boiled, what happens? Is it ready to get out and put into the cups?
So we have to let no fire bubbles come in.
Okay.
Or then it'll be super bubbly Jello.
And what will happen if it's too bubbly?
And when it comes out of the fridge, the Jello will just be bubbles.
Oh, and we don't want a bubbly Jello, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
While those were boiling, we were chopping up some
strawberries.
Right?
To put on the cups. So now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the cups and we're just gonna put strawberries on the bottom. And then we're just gonna put them to refrigerate overnight. Okay, so as you can see, I added the jelly and now we're just gonna refrigerate everything. I'm gonna make another batch because I still have a whole bunch of strawberries and I have another package. But yeah, we're just gonna refrigerate that and we'll see the finishing.
It's been 4 minutes
4 hours.
4 hours, and here are the Jellos. They're nice and hard, and they're nice.
Show the finished product.
Okay, here's the finished product. Yum yum yum. I hope you like this video.
Subscribe.
And comment down below.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.